just run out different places.
This is pretty empty.
Yeah, well, at least now we know. I got a pretty good DMR though.
You want a UMP or
there's
P90?
UMP. I kinda like
I have
the
a,
UMP.
I have a P90 or UMP. I've got both if you want.
Have
Yeah, yeah, here I go. Here's UMP on the floor.
that? I have this for you if you want. Do you want armor? Do you have any armor?
Oh wait,
That's a major score. Way to go.
oh man!
This,
Oh, nice.
This or AR?
Yeah, no, take this one. That's fine.
The scope on the AR is fucking disgusting. There's some chest down here, but oh, if you come in here, you'll get a